Hey channel members, come get your shine.
I just wanted to give you guys some positive motivation. I'm here over by the water. I want to speak to my members and tell you all that I appreciate you for everything you are and how much you support me and support this channel. And I want to say thank you all so much for your support. And I want to give you a little bit of a visual. So I'm going to show you the beach for a little bit, and then I'm going to shout out all of your names. Thank you all so much. The first member that I want to shout out is Leticia's Third Eye Point of View. She has an awesome, she puts a lot of things on there, especially those of you who like to get some information of a more of a tea type of thing. And she gives encouragement. She is a wonderful parent. She is no nonsense. And I love that about her channel, that she's no nonsense in a world of people who put up with a lot of nonsense and talk a lot about nonsense. She's real, a great content creator, a great supporter, and I want to tell her so much that I thank you, Leticia, for your support, for your encouragement, and for your commitment to just being yourself. So I thank you. The link to Leticia's channel is going to be in the description box below. The next content creator I want to talk about is Dave's Adventures. He is a UK-based content creator. He has lots of things on his channel. He does reviews. He went on a cruise. He goes to roller coaster, to like theme parks. He goes to hotels. He does lots of things on his channel. I'm definitely going to link his channel, but he's a very supportive content creator. If you love to see like thrill rides, you like to see things that's happening in the UK, the United Kingdom, go over and support his channel. I want to say, Dave's Adventures, thank you so much for supporting me, for being an awesome content creator, and I thank you so much. The link to his channel will be below. And the next content creator is Puzzle Pieces, Miss Nexie. What can I say about Miss Nexie? Is that Miss Nexie is just Miss Nexie. She says what she means and she means what she says. And I really enjoy that about her. She is not a content creator, but she's an amazing supporter. How many people can you say about that? An awesome supporter. She's a great mom. She's a great friend. And I like that she gives good advice, and not really that you have to ask for it, but you know if she says something to you, it's coming from a great place. It's coming from her heart. And I can't say enough about Puzzle Pieces, Miss Nexie. I just want to say thank you so much for your support as always. Though she's not a content creator, you can still go and subscribe to her channel. Maybe one day Miss Nexie will make content. Who knows? It's her choice, but the link to her channel will be below. Thank you so much for your support. The next content creator is Boss Life Online. I have met Boss Life Online in person, and she has an amazing channel. Her channel is about affiliate marketing, how to be a wonderful entrepreneur, businessman or businesswoman, and she supports a lot of people. She does networking videos and live streams. Honestly, I feel like Boss Life Online Geo, she's just a person that she's great at leadership. She's great at being a supporter, and she will be there for you. Really, if you needed her, I know that I could call Boss Life Online and she would be supportive and encouraging. For me, I can't speak for everybody, but for me, she is the type of friend that anybody could want. She's the best. And I just want her to know, you really do mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. The link to Boss Life Online's channel will be in the description box. Now we have Sirius S of Virgo from Georgia. She is not a content creator, but she's a great supporter, a wonderful moderator, and I'm just grateful to have her as a supporter of mine. There's sometimes where you get people who support you, and they support you more than your family. And I can say that about Sirius S of Virgo from Georgia. She is a real stand-up woman. I know that I can depend on her. I don't have to worry if there's anything in my chat. If I'm feeling discouraged some days, which I do because I'm human, she always uplifts me. And when you make content, a lot of times people don't understand that while you make content, while you motivate others, you still need others to motivate you. So I want to say thank you to Sirius for being that, being a motivator, even when you didn't know you were. So while Sirius is not a content creator, still go over. I'm going to put the link to her channel in the description box. Go and subscribe. And next up we have I Am Tracy Lee, which we've been connected for a while. I Am Tracy Lee is a powerful woman. She is a woman of faith, a woman of character, a woman of strength, and I want her to know, while you may not hear it a lot, but I see you, sis. I see you on your elevation and your grind, but also I see that you have been through things that would have probably taken out a lot of people, but you're still here. You're resilient, and I want to tell you, keep on going. I Am Tracy Lee. You have people who you're inspiring, and you have people who really care about you. So subscribe to I Am Tracy Lee's channel. On her channel, she is mainly about her lock journey, but she also has things of faith on there, and she also has health things on her channel as well. So subscribe, and you'll be so glad you subscribed to I Am Tracy Lee's channel. Her link will be in the description box.
Would you like to get this sort of shine? Well, join my channel membership. It starts at 99 cents.